I'm going to show you my secret method to tiring out my dog as fast as possible. Water. Meow. I guess you can watch them play while I set everything up. Okay, time to break my back. How the heck? There we go. No. Oh, I really messed it up. Oh my gosh. How did I backlash a water hose?
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got it. Holy crap, dude, that sucked. I just gotta pull this out, bro. That doesn't sound good. You playing with your girlfriend? I'm gonna turn this on. Watch his reaction. Hopefully I don't toast my mic. Ah! I probably will. Oh my gosh. Come here, buddy. Ah! Really get into it. Oh gosh, my mic. Where'd it go? Dude is ready. You're shaking. Dude, this is awesome. Meow. Dude, this is the funniest thing ever. You know, you don't look very tired. You don't look very tired. I washed your butthole. Uh-oh. Right here. I'm so dizzy. What if we go straight up with it? It's raining. Dude is going crazy. Oh, my water bill is about to be magnificent. Over here. Over here. Over here. Gotta get you tired, son. Does your girlfriend want some too? Jenno. 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 Do you not like Jenno? Oh my God. Dude, I can't do this, bro. This is the funniest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Ew. Dude is flying. Ah! Holy crap. Oh, my mic. My mic. Oh, crap. I took off my mic. How do I get the jet stream? There we go. Oh, what the heck? Oh. There we go. Get it, buddy. Oh my gosh. Dude, my water company's gonna call me. Oh, oh, easy. They gotta dry you off. You're a wet boy. You're a wet boy. Oh my God. See, it works. Okay, I'm just gonna leave you there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.